In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save draw.io as image. By the end, you'll export your diagram from draw.io as a PNG or JPEG image you can download and use in documents, presentations, or to share with others. First, open your diagram. If you're already working on it, make sure the correct file is on screen and any final edits are complete. Zoom and pan so everything you want to export is visible and arranged the way you expect. Next, click File in the top left corner, then move down to Export As. This opens the export option so you can create an image from your current diagram. From here, select PNG or JPEG. PNG is best for sharp lines, text, and transparent backgrounds. JPEG creates a smaller file but uses compression, which can slightly blur fine details and doesn't support transparency. Then click the format that matches how you plan to use the image. Now, click Export. This opens the export panel for your chosen format. At this point, choose settings if you need to. This step is optional and the default settings work well for most diagrams. If you want a crisper image for printing or high-resolution displays, increase the image scale or DPI. If your diagram has a transparent background and you chose PNG, you can keep transparency enabled so the image sits cleanly over colored slides or web pages. If you selected JPEG, a solid background color will be used. If your diagram spans multiple pages, check whether the export is set to the current page or all pages so you get exactly what you expect. You can also adjust margins or add a border if you want some spacing around the edges. If you're unsure, just leave everything as is. Nothing here will change your original diagram. Once that's done, click Download. The image is generated and saved to your computer. Depending on your browser, the file will either download automatically to your default downloads folder or you'll be asked where to save it. If prompted, pick a destination and confirm. When the download finishes, you can open the file to verify the image looks the way you intended. Your diagram is now successfully saved from draw.io as an image. You can insert it into slides, attach it to emails, upload it to a website, or share it with your team. The task is complete and your export is ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.